teacher.
Ah, wow. I just woke up, my dear.
So cold, teacher.
Ah, it's so cold. Oh no, yes. Happy weekend, my dear.
Wake up.
Oh, I just woke up. Good morning, my dear. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Now in Korea, uh, now it's middle day.
Wow. Can you say it one more time, my dear?
Now in
It's
Korea is middle day.
winter day?
Middle,
Ah,
middle.
middle day?
Yes,
Oh, middle day. But can you see me clearly, my dear?
yes.
Wow. Can you hear me well, my dear? Okay, so what's the meaning of middle day in Korea, my dear? It's like halfway of the year,
Oh, yes, sir.
but it's only February. No, March.
It's um, teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, middle. That's say
Mm-hmm. And in the month of March, they are celebrating middle day, yes.
noon. Midday. Sorry, sir.
Sorry. Okay, midday. Okay, I thought it's middle day because middle day is, I think, will be in June, right?
Yes,
Okay, wow. It's nice to see you again, my dear. But how's your milk tea preparation for your milk tea, my dear?
uh,
For your shop?
I am I am designing a poster.
Wow, poster?
Yes, uh, mm, and how do you feel? Yes,
This. Okay, let me see. Wow, buy one, get one free. Oh, I see. Milk tea, milk tea.
that's
It's
okay.
nice, my dear. It's color green. Wow. You'll make a poster?
Oh, yes, poster, and I I choose I choose to be two color green and yellow.
Wow. So, what did your friends say about your milk tea, my dear? Because last Tuesday they visited you, right?
Ah, oh, that friends
Mm-hmm.
uh, and is a captain and
Mm. Accountant?
yes,
Wow. And
it's super. Yeah.
wow, can you say it one more time, my dear? It's
Uh, a friend is
mm-hmm.
super super
Sweeter,
no super
super, cheaper.
yes super.
Oh, she's a shipper of.
That's
Wow.
good.
Wow. So, what's the flavor of your milk tea, my dear? Is it matcha?
Mm,
Matcha
you
flavor,
know,
right?
my oh, matcha. Matcha.
Mm-hmm.
I have it. That
I see. Wow. So, how many flavors do you have, Miss Year?
mm, I have like
Mm-hmm.
that. Uh, tea, peach, peach tea, and lychee, and
Oh,
other something.
I see. I can't hear you well, Miss Year. Maybe because of the internet.
Oh, can't see well. Oh,
Mm-hmm. I think there's a disturbance in your voice. Like, can you say it one more time, Miss Year?
now you can see you can clearly you can
Yes,
hear.
yes, yes. Yes, 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 my dear. I can hear you now.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay, okay.
It's okay,
Uh,
my dear.
I have jasmine tea, black tea,
Ah,
lychee tea, lemon tea, peach tea, and other something.
wow. But what's your most favorite flavor, my dear?
Oh, my favorite flavor is
Das,
jasmine tea. Is
Dasmati?
yes is
It's a milk tea, right? Ah, jasmine tea.
that's me.
Uh-huh, jasmine tea
Mm,
or hasmin tea.
jasmine. Oh, that's me. Okay, teacher.
Okay, so that's your favorite?
Yes.
Oh, jasmine. Nice.
Yes.
It's I see milk tea. So it has bowls, right? What do you call the what do you call that one?
Oh, think,
Pure yes, pearl, right?
her.
Pearl, sweet pearl.
Yes, right.
Oh, and it will serve as the sugar.
Sugar on and honey. Honey.
I see. So you will add honey.
Yes. Yeah. 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 Honey and sugar.
I see. Wow. So you will mix everything?
I,
Mix.
yes.
Oh, like mix, mix, mix.
Yes. I have to make a sure between sugar and honey.
I
Uh,
see. But which one do you like, my dear? Honey or a normal sugar?
mm, I think honey.
Honey?
Yes.
But isn't it expensive, my dear? Honey, I think honey is expensive.
Honey is no. In Vietnam, honey is cheap, so cheap. I
Oh, wow.
go from Vietnam to Korea.
I see. So you brought with you a honey?
Yes,
Oh, wow. So I think you will be successful in your business.
I think.
It will start this week, right? Next week?
Oh, next week. I think. Mm, quality is important.
I see. Wow, quality. So, when will you start your business, Miss Year?
I think mm, next week. Next week. Or
Wow.
uh, uh, if I finish all work, I will start from um, five fifth March.
I see. Fifth day of the month.
Yeah, yes. Oh,
Ooh, today is March 1, right?
right.
Okay, so you'll start on Wednesday.
Monster. I think.
I'm not sure.
Oh, no, 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 no. Wednesday. Well,
Oh, yes, Wednesday. You will start on Wednesday.
yes. I think. Uh, I think this day is nice day.
Wednesday is a nice day.
Yes. I
Ooh,
think
wow. So you will start it by selling it with your friends
yes.
online.
Yes.
Yes. So maybe your friends have friends as well. So they will recommend your milk tea to their friends.
I have to take a photo and poster and menu.
I see. You need to post it online.
Yes.
Oh, I see. So you have a lot of things to do.
Mm, I don't know. I I have to wait. I have to wait. Thing from Vietnam to Korea.
Vietnam to Korea.
Yes.
I see. Wow. But how about your friends in Vietnam, my dear?
Mm,
Can they buy your milk tea, for example? They want to try it as well.
yes.
So,
My best friend will buy will buy uh something for me.
mhm. Wow. How about your roommate, my dear? Does she have friends in Korea?
Actually, just a roommate.
I see. But does she have friends, my dear? Aside from you, does she have any other friends in Korea?
Oh, after going to Korea,
Hmm.
I I just go I just go um, I just do acquaint get acquaint,
A
right?
queen?
Uh, teacher, with me.
It's okay, my dear.
Get acquainted.
I see. Get acquainted. Yes.
Get acquainted. Uh, my roommate after going to Korea, so I did not that friends.
Mm, I see. But uh,
As a best friend in Vietnam.
I see. So you have other best friend like your super duper best friend in Vietnam?
But she married her husband and
Wow.
she had a baby.
I see. Wow. But how old is she, my dear?
She same
ah,
oh,
she's 21?
21.
Oh, and you will be turning 22 this year, right?
Yes, but this year the end of this year is her birthday.
I see. How about you, my dear? You will be 22 this year as well, right?
No, in July.
I
July.
see. July, you will be 22.
Yes. Now is
Ah.
one.
Yes, you're still young. But she married last year? She was married last year?
Yes, right, teacher. Last year in no, no, teacher. The in this year, uh, in January.
Wow, she was married last January.
Yes, January. In
Oh,
three in Thursday.
of January.
Yes.
But how about her baby, my dear?
It now she uh
2 months pregnant?
pregnant, right?
I see. She's pregnant?
Yes,
Pregnant?
pregnant.
Oh, pregnant. How many months, my dear?
Uh, one 1 month, 1 month.
Wow. Are you happy for her?
Yes. Oh, she feel happy, so happy.
I see. So she wants to be a mother?
No, no, no. Me, I don't know.
I see. How about when you were younger, my dear?
Yes, I, 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 I don't have a boyfriend, so I, I don't like in relationship, in love relationship, teacher. I have, so I am so
Oh, well, we are the same, my dear.
deep, teacher.
Yes, we are the same, my dear. I don't like the idea of getting married as well.
You have to marry.
No! No, I don't want to, my dear.
Oh, why, teacher?
I because I don't like the idea of marrying someone.
Oh, why, teacher? You have a boyfriend, right?
No. No. No.
I know. I see the note, your note in Facebook.
That's for my friends, my dear.
Really?
Uh-huh. Yes, just for friendship, my dear.
Friendship.
Ah, yes. Oh no, yes. Just for friendship, my dear. I don't have a boyfriend and I don't want to get married.
So we have to like and travel.
Ah, yes, my dear. But have you experienced before, like having a boyfriend before? Did you have a boyfriend before?
No,
Wow.
don't have a.
You've never?
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
first love. I don't have a first love.
I see. That's good, my dear.
My mother permit. Ah,
Okay.
allow.
Can you say it again, my dear?
My mother doesn't allow. Right?
I see. Your mother doesn't allow you to have boyfriend.
Yeah, allow.
Uh, yes. That is because you're still young.
Now my friend uh, is bad rule. Is a bad mark rule. Um, two friends married. So
I see. Wow. So you have two other friends who are married already?
yes, right.
Mm. So because you have friends that are married, do you want to be married as well?
No, no, because my friends graduated, but I I still have to study at here.
I see, but it's okay, my dear. Yeah, don't, as I've told you, you're still young, so just enjoy.
You know, I have a friend. Uh, her child this year is 6 years old, but he she just 21 years old. Same me.
Wow.
This
Mhm.
year she has a son. Is 6 year old.
Oh, wow. So, she got pregnant at the age of
When
14.
she studied at the night class, right?
Night class?
That's
Mm,
20, ah 15, 15 years old.
I see. She got pregnant at the age of 15.
Yes, 15.
I see. But is she married now?
No, now she married.
But first she got pregnant before getting married.
That's right.
Oh, I see. And I think, my dear, we have the same situation where my batchmates before they have three kids, two kids, and yet I'm here still single and enjoying life. Yes, and my dear, it's a good thing that your parents were strict about having a boyfriend because it protected you
Hmm.
from getting involved in an unwanted relationship, right?
Yes.
Because I've seen a lot of posts on Facebook. Mm, they became a battered wife.
Wife?
Battered wife. Do you know
I
battered wife, Izzy?
I don't know. Did you
Oh.
time for me?
Okay. Buttered wife. Buttered wife.
Ah, why?
Buttered wife. I think it's a pattern or signs or symptoms displayed by a woman who has suffered persistent intimate partner violence.
I think I think in this society mm, do not have not have a better wife. I think
Oh. Because
now wife are better the husband.
you're right. Yes, exactly, my dear. So, but in my country, yeah, buttered wife are everywhere, my dear. They
Oh,
still experience violence from their husbands. That
right?
mhm,
Mm.
violence. That is one of the reason why I don't want to be involved in any romantic relationship.
Oh, I think in this society, high promotion. Oh, quite promotion. So I think don't have. I think I think I think little. I think little better with wife or sister.
I see buttered wife.
Yes.
Oh, I see. So I think you need to be happy and you need to enjoy your life, my dear. Just don't. But you want to be single for the rest of your life, my dear?
I don't know. In the future, I will I will what do. But now I feel comfortable with this life.
Yes, I like that idea, my dear.
I hope in the future I and will a good husband will have a
Wow. You and your sister?
oh maybe
Oh.
I want to try. I want to be a teacher, but I have to more study. I study more.
Oh. But you are doing great, my dear. Yes. Okay, so now we will study about Unit 8 on the street.
You need a teacher.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
On the street.
Mm.
On the street.
On the street.
Uh-huh.
Yes, teacher.
On the street, you're on the street with you when you're worn out. Dina Taylor is here.
Yes,
Okay, on the street.
on the street. Right. You need a
On the street. Okay.
mm. Or vocabulary.
Okay, my dear. So we have here two pictures.
Mm. The first quick, the first picture.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what can you see in the first picture, my dear?
I the she is saying, "Excuse me, for boy."
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So she is saying, "Excuse me, can you please excuse me?"
Uh, when when I want to your help, right?
Mm. When you want to,
Uh, when I want your help, your, right?
when I want your help,
Yes.
Ooh. When I want your help, this one, my dear.
Yes.
When I want your help.
Ask for help, right?
Ah, when you want to ask for help.
Yes.
Hmm. You can say, "Excuse me," if you want to ask for help,
Ask for
or maybe if you
help.
want to walk
Yes, teacher.
on the street, for example, you are blocking the way.
Mm.
You are blocking the way. So can you please
Help me. Ah.
excuse me?
Mm.
Yes. For example, two people are blocking the way. You can say, can you please excuse me?
Ah.
Yes. Or maybe if you want to ask for help, yes, you can say, excuse me, can I ask for help? Something like that. But
Oh.
what do you think?
Or yeah, teacher.
Uh-huh. What do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
Excuse, excuse teacher. Right.
Ex- okay, let's see.
Oh.
Ah, wow, excuse. Your answer is correct, my dear.
Excuse.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so can you please make a sentence using the word excuse, my dear?
Oh. Yes, teacher. Oh. Excuse me. Could you tell me? Could you tell me where the nearest nearest bank, right?
Nearest
Bank. Bank.
bank. Oh, excuse me, could you please tell me where's the nearest bank?
Bank.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Excuse me. Can you tell me where the nearest bank, right?
Oh, yes. Correct, my dear. Nearest bank.
Bank.
Nearest bank. Bank. Ink, ink. Yes, nearest bank. Very good, my dear. So I bank. So I will tell you where's the nearest bank, but you need to give me some money.
No,
Have you asked?
I don't.
But my dear, have you experienced that? For example, you asked someone for help and they told you that they want something else, like a money?
Oh,
Have you experienced that?
um, money, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Money. For example, I don't know. I don't know where's the way to the hospital. Can you please tell me? And then they told you that I see you need to go straight here, you need to turn left, you need to turn right, but you need to give me some money. Something like that. Have you experienced that?
Ah, I understand.
Have you experienced that, Mizir? No?
I don't know. Before I don't know.
I
I
see.
I think I just asked for I just asked way. So I just thank for them, right?
Ah, I just thank them.
But I lost the I lost my thing. I will take money for them, right?
Mm-hmm. Or you will give money.
Mm. For them when I take my things. I when mm,
For example,
return the item when they return the item return my item. I will thank for their help and I uh, I give her money for her for them, right, teacher?
mm-hmm, I will thankful for them. I
And
will be thankful.
thank for thank
Mm-hmm. I will be thankful to them,
mm,
and you will give them some money.
give some money for her for them.
Yes, that's good, my dear. But for example, you asked for direction, or you asked something from someone and they ask you for money, or they want something like money, you need to be careful.
Mm. Uh,
Yes, just don't give money easily to
why
someone.
why 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 I have to be careful.
I Because, my dear, uh there are a lot of people on the street like they want to take something from you, especially if you are alone, like something money.
Money. Mm.
Uh-huh. Especially if you are alone and then you seems to be lost.
Mm.
If you are lost and the place is like something new for you, and they will take advantage of that situation. So you need to be careful
Yeah.
every day.
Yeah.
Okay, good job, my dear. So next,
Next, bank, bank,
bank.
bank. Money. Bank has so money.
Okay, yes, bank. But mm, do you want to be a manager?
Manager.
Manager of the bank, my dear?
No, no. I don't want to be. I don't want to be
Why, my dear?
because I I uh I am scared. Go. I am scared. Go to here. Right?
I am scared.
Go go to here.
Ah,
I'm scared. Go to here. Yeah.
I see. But why are you scared, my dear? You will just uh you will be a manager, and of course you won't take money.
No, no. I I am not interested in bank or manager
I see. You just want to be a teacher,
or business.
business owner. Right? Business owner?
I just want to buy. Want to sell. Yes, sell drink.
Drink? What kind of drink, my dear?
Drink. Let's just
I
say
thought you will, I thought, my dear, you will say alcoholic drink.
I want to open coffee shop. Big
Oh. I thought you will say you want to you want to sell alcoholic drink.
I don't like it.
Mm. But my dear, I think soju, right? Soju,
Oh, so true.
is very famous in Korea.
Yes, right. And
Oh.
but it is so cheap, so cheap.
Mm. In Korea,
Yes,
it's
so
I
it's
see.
uh, I think in Vietnam say 13
Mhm.
30 30,000.
Oh, wow. But have you tried drinking soju before?
I drink it, but I don't like it because it's bitter, so bitter, and I I don't like alcohol drink.
I see alcohol. You don't like alcohol drink?
Alcohol.
Oh. Yes, and I think it's painful in your stomach.
Summer.
Stomach. It's painful in your stomach.
Ah, hmm. No, I don't have a stomach, but I feel in alcohol so bitter.
I just don't like the taste of it.
That I just like sweeter drink.
I see. Like, can you give me an example, my dear?
Mm, such Coca Cola.
Coca Cola. You like Coca Cola?
Yes, it's the best drink. My best drink.
Ah, but you need to drink Coca Cola twice a week, my dear, or
Yeah,
once a week.
one a week. I I will try.
You need to drink more water or plenty of water than Coca Cola.
Yes, but 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 now I have to drink milk tea. So many. I do do you know? Her
Uh
her
huh.
is Yes. Teacher, so
Uh-huh.
delicious. Really delicious.
Ooh, wow. I think it's sweet, Miss Year.
Wait, so sweet. I have
Oh,
I have tried in a week, in 0 week.
and this week, did you buy it, Miss Year?
No, I I make it.
Wow, how did you do that, Miss Year?
Oh, I make it from flour, flour,
Flour
uh, and flavor.
flavor?
Yes.
What's the flavor, Miss Year?
Mm, do you know ô long là cái gì nhỉ? Ô long tea.
I see.
Oh,
Wow.
ô long tea.
I see. So you need to drink milk tea every day?
Yes, I have. I can sell it for other people.
Oh, so it's like you are trying to test your own product, my dear. For example, you want to know the right amount of sweetness.
Yes, teacher.
Oh, so you need to try and try and try milk tea.
Okay, teacher. So yeah.
But wait here, after drinking sweet drink like milk tea, you need to drink water, more water to cleanse the sweetness of milk tea in your body.
No, after trying, I don't drink water
Why, my dear?
because
Because you're full.
I just drink uh I drank milk tea so many, so I can't drink water.
Your tummy is full already, so you can't drink any more water.
Well, to roommate they have to drink milk tea every day too. Teacher,
Your room.
are scared.
They are scared of milk tea.
Yes, I give I give for them so many.
Oh wow, that's funny, my dear. But if it will become successful and you're done trying out things, of course.
No, teacher, yesterday I am fail with my milk tea because I feel it's so bitter.
Why, my dear?
I don't know.
So you
I
need to try again.
no. I try new flavor. So I I fail.
I see. So you want to experiment a new flavor?
Yeah, teacher.
I see. But what flavor was it, my dear?
It's, it's, I don't know. I don't know name.
I see.
This is matcha, right?
Matcha? The green tea?
Ah, green tea, green tea.
You want to try it? But I think green matcha
Hmm.
does not match the sweetness of honey. That's why it became bitter.
Yes. I I I give her green tea and jasmine tea.
Mm-hmm.
So it's so bitter.
I see. Jasmine tea and
Bitter.
I see. Maybe they don't match the sweetness of each other because too much sweet can cause I think the flavor will explode, and as a result it will become bitter.
Mm. I I I I don't choose. I don't choose it because so bitter. I bỏ ra.
Throw it out.
I remove. I remove this flavor.
Ah. Because can you imagine, my dear, for example, you didn't try it first, right? You didn't try it. You just sell it,
Yeah.
and then the customer will say, the customer will say that, why is it so bitter?
I'm scared. Now I try black tea. Mm.
Black tea, it's good.
No. Afternoon I will try.
Again.
I hope it's a successful teacher.
I see. So you will try something new again today,
Yes.
a new flavor.
Ah, I will give it for two roommate. I don't know.
So
I don't,
they will try it for you.
because it's so fail teacher.
I see. It's okay to fail, my dear. Do you know? Do you know the saying? Try and try until you
But
succeed.
yes, every
And
day, every day.
do you know that saying, my dear? Try and try until you succeed.
Yes, right teacher.
But do you know, my dear? Here in my country, we rephrase that saying. Try. It's actually negative, but don't don't take it seriously, my dear. Try and try until
Yes, auntie. Ui dồi, if if my is not delicious, I
Mhm.
will give full. I will give for to roommate.
It's a secret, my dear. Oh, maybe you can prank them. Do you know prank?
Well, see, to Frank.
Do you know prank?
I don't know. With me. Ah,
You will pretend that it's so sweet. So you will say, it's so sweet. I don't think I can drink this. And then they will try it.
so funny.
Oh, don't do that, my dear. They will get mad at you. Yeah, don't try it, my dear. Yeah, don't try it. But I hope, my dear, you will be successful in your. It's so smoky here in the area. I hope that you will be successful in your business.
I hope to.
Yes, but you need to eat your lunch
Yes. After finish, I will eat lunch.
after finishing our class or after trying.
No, no, no. After finishing.
I see. I thought you will say after trying. Yes, my dear, you need to you need to eat first before drinking milk tea, because if you will drink milk tea in an empty stomach,
I hope.
you will have a stomach pain or a stomach ache.
Mom. I don't want teacher.
Can you say it again, my dear?
I don't want teacher.
I don't want.
I don't want to be stomachache.
I see stomach ache.
Mm.
I see you don't want to experience it again. You don't
Mm,
want to experience it again.
appearance. Okay.
The stomach ache.
I ask. I'm scared. Stomach is. Eh. But I think because the I'm not I'm not stomach it because it's just a bitter or so sweet.
I see. So, bitter or sweet? Which one do you like, my dear?
Sweet teacher.
Oh, but I like bitter, my dear,
Why teacher?
because I love coffee very much.
Ah, coffee. Ah,
Black
my
coffee.
my friend Myanmar so like coffee.
Like a bitter coffee.
Oh, bitter coffee. I don't like coffee. I hate it.
Yeah, I like bitter coffee, my dear.
Like the black coffee, right?
Black coffee.
Not, not sugar.
A little amount of sugar, my dear,
Oh,
but it's
I
still bitter.
in Vietnam, people often drink milk coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Do you know? I know to make coffee, such as fried coffee,
Mm-hmm.
milk coffee, and something. Ah, cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Oh, and coffee latte. Yes.
I see. Coffee latte. Yay. But I like Spanish latte, my dear.
Mm.
You should try Spanish latte.
And later,
You know that? Spanish latte?
I don't know. Spanish, Spanish. You have a photo
Spanish latte?
latte.
Spanish latte?
Oh, I don't know.
Hmm.
I,
It's so good, my dear.
is you have a photo?
I see. Okay, Spanish latte. Let me search in the internet. Spanish latte. Mm, Coffee? Oh, this one, my dear. Like
Ah,
it?
I know, teacher.
This one. It's so good.
Oh,
This one.
yeah. I know make it. I know make it.
I see. Maybe you should try it, my dear. Maybe they will like it.
I know make it.
Oh, do you want to try this?
Mm. Before I am barista in
Mhm.
coffee shop.
Oh, but have you tasted that before?
Yes.
Was it good? Was it good, my dear?
Oh, yeah. No, I am just a barista in a coffee shop.
I see. So maybe if, for example, you will be successful in your business and you want to try something new, you should try Spanish latte.
Hmm.
Huh. Okay, so you did well today, my dear me. Yay! You were able to construct sentences and you were able to speak more, my dear, especially in expressing your thoughts and ideas. You are improving, my dear. Yeah. And you need to eat your lunch because it's late in Korea. Okay, so take care always, my dear. Drink water first before drinking milk tea.
That is I
Okay, you need to wear jacket
just
because it's cold in Korea and enjoy the rest of your day, my dear. Happy weekend. Bye
thank you.
bye.